So we took a well-established rare disease registry, which was called Duchenne, and they had. We looked at a lot of different registries. The vendor that we went with, Patients Crossroads, had developed a registry for Duchenne, and from that registry, they had developed other rare disease registries. So when we signed with our vendor, we looked at what everybody else did. What were their consents? How did they explain this process? What were their questions? And we started from there. And then we went to other registries like Autism Speaks and said, what questions should we ask our families? Then we took our big list of questions and we broke it into organs, and we went to researchers in each area. For instance, we didn't go to the cardiologists that treated our children. We went to the cardiac researchers and we said, these are our 6 cardiac questions. Are they going to give you the data that you need for research? These are our seizure questions. And so the researchers helped us better form our questions and our answers. So ultimately, the data that comes out of this registry should be more useful for them. The most important thing, though, is getting the families to accurately answer these questions every year so that you can have a longitudinal study. And what we're finding now is we need to keep that burden as small as possible. One of the reasons that we started our own registry is our patients were getting survey fatigue. Graduate students and PhDs and researchers all over the world would put out something and they'd ask our families to answer it, and we would dutifully answer all the questions. And then a few months later, somebody else would ask us to answer similar questions, and we would. But these places weren't sharing their data, and nothing was getting published. So what we're doing now is we own the data, and we're letting everybody have it and share it. And that's a much better use of our patients' time.